Hey y'all, in today's video we will be reviewing WYBOT C2 cordless robotic pool vacuum. I'm going to be going over the amazing features this vacuum has to offer and showing you just how well it really cleans my pool. So let's just hop right on in. So immediately unboxing this unit, you will see that it has a quick start guide, which pretty much shows you the quick steps to go ahead and get this up and running. First thing you're going to want to do is charge your vacuum. And as soon as you plug it in, you'll hear a beep and then you'll see the lights pop on. When they're flashing like that, that's how you know it's charging. And when it's solid, that's when it's completely charged. While the vacuum is charging, it's a good time to go ahead and hop over on the app to get everything started up. So when it's done, you can just throw it in the pool and get to working. So on the app, you'll select the type of swimming pool that you have, the type of bottom slope, and also the type of pool material that you have. Now that you have that saved, you're able to control your pool cleaner with this app, but you must select the mode that you want to do before you drop it in the pool because you will not be able to change anything once it's in the pool. You're able to choose between 7 different cleaning modes, including turbo mode, eco mode, and even the new added waterline mode. And you also can choose 6 different cleaning paths, and you can tell it how you want it to clean your floor and the wall. And as you can see, it successfully sends it right over to the machine. You can also choose to customize your cleaning schedule if that's what you prefer. This pool vacuum has high efficiency brushless motor that has powerful suction that collects all sorts of debris and it kind of like scoops it up into the unit, which will then collect inside of here in this large filter basket, which you will want to remove before first use because it has these little pieces in here. So we'll just get rid of those. So this C2 also comes with an ultra fine filter, which is only to be used in turbo floor mode, just like it says right here, which you can also select in the app to tell the machine to turn on turbo. This collects super fine, small particles, including algae. So this will go in right here, just like that. And then your main filter basket will go right here, and just like that. Let's go ahead and get started. So you want to go ahead and turn off your pump. And I wanted to show you guys just how dirty my pool really is to see how well this vacuum really can clean my pool. This WYBOT C2 has an impressive 180-minute runtime, and it can cover up to 2,100 square foot in one single charge. Now, I have a 12-foot by 24-foot, so let's see if this thing can clean my entire pool in one go. So all you have to do is power this thing on, and I already selected what path I want it to do, so it's already ready to go. You just turn it on and you put it in the pool vertically, and then it'll start to go down to the bottom on its own, and then it automatically just starts going. This pool cleaner can actually climb walls, and you can see the brushes spinning in a way that will loosen any debris or even dirt on the side of the walls to give it a good clean. And then you can see here, it's actually cleaning the water line as well in case there's any debris or leaves at the top of the water. Now right away you can tell this pool cleaner gets to work at the bottom of the pool, scrubbing that dirt from the bottom and removing any debris in its path. And then when it reverses, you can actually tell that the area is clean. This C2 has obstacle surmounting function. It's designed to actually tackle challenging pool environments and pass over like drains and other obstacles that may be in the way. I actually have a couple wrinkles at the bottom of my pool, and it went over those just fine. All right, so the vacuum is done, and look at this pool. Wow, it is clean. It looks amazing. And this is just a little reminder on how dirty my pool really looked before we got started. And this is the after. I feel like the results definitely speak for themselves. And this was just off of one charge. It cleaned my entire pool off of one charge. This cleaner does have a smart auto parking system, which means it'll park near the edge of the pool when it is finished. So this is the little hook that they give you that's supposed to go onto your pole. So I have a pool pole that came with my little hand skimmer thing, but it won't fit. So unfortunately, I won't be able to put it on here and hook it out the pool, but I'll still try to show you. Well, this thing is heavy. Let's see what's in it. Whoa. Look, this thing is full. Look how much this collected. Wow, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse and clean this off. Okay, so I just sprayed this down and it is pretty clean now. So we'll just go ahead and put this back. Okay, now I'm just gonna let this dry completely before I go ahead and hook it back up to the charger for its next use. But I feel like it did really well. The pool looks so clean.